Hello guys, welcome to CGeeks. Today our topic is how you can apply sort and filter option in MS Excel. If you have already not subscribed our channel, please like our videos and subscribe Computer Geeks. So working with Excel, most of the time we have needed to apply some sort of filters and sorting options on our worksheets so that we can have clear picture of data or we can get reports from our data. So first of all, we have suppose an Excel sheet and data with ID, name, items, quantity which has been sold out, price per item and total amounts. So we mostly need to arrange some data or apply some filters. So first of all, if I want to have a look on names from A to Z, so we need to apply sorting. Just click on that column, then go to sort and filter, sort A to Z, or you can apply Z to A to Z. Then you need to select, expand the selection and sort it out. Now you can check that A, G, then J, and the data has been sorted. So if I want to check the maximum quantity which has been sold out from home, so we will apply sorting on this column quantity from largest to smallest, like this one. Expand selection. So 42. Cavill have sold more item, like 42 maximum item sold by Cavill. So we will revert. So after that we are going to apply some sort of filters. So select the column. I will select the whole columns and apply filter. Now you can check the icon for filters. Now I want to check the sale of Smith. Just unselect all and then select Smith. Now the data has been filtered for Smith, and this is a specific sign which is showing that the data has been filtered. Suppose I want to check the sale of for any specific ID, this one. So this is a sale and quantity 2 for this ID. Suppose I want to see the sale about desk, then I will uncheck all and then I will select desk. So the desk has been sold from Smith and Cavill with this quantity. In this way you can apply sorting on multiple columns and filtering options so that you can have a clear look of your data and you can generate reports on that data. Thanks guys for watching and learning.